This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Systemair launches packaged air handling unit with integrated R290 heat pump by J.O. Haroldson. Published July 1st, 2026. Global HVAC supplier. Systemair has launched Geniox HP DFN, a new packaged air handling unit, AHU, with an integrated propane heat pump. Systemair positions the R290-based unit as a future-proof solution that complies with relevant EU environmental regulations. It meets strict F-gas requirements and is PFAS-free under REACH, registration, evaluation, authorization, and restriction of chemicals. The EU's chemicals regulation. It adds that the use of R290 reduces total equivalent warming impact, TEWI, including direct and indirect CO2e emissions, by 30% compared with an equivalent AHU using an integrated R410A heat pump. The HVAC landscape is shifting, with new regulations, rising energy costs, and increasing sustainability demands, Systemair said. Our Geniox AHU with an integrated heat pump is built for this transition. Already available in Denmark and the UK, the Geniox HP DFN will be introduced in additional European markets later this summer, Systemair said on LinkedIn. The package, the integrated reversible R290 heat pump, supports HVAC heating and cooling in ambient conditions ranging from -22 to 36 degrees Celsius, -8 to 97 degrees Fahrenheit. For safety, the R290 Geniox unit incorporates highly sensitive leak detection sensors, Systemair said. In the event of a leak, the system intervenes and flushes the unit before the lower flammability limit is reached, the company added. The plug-and-play design simplifies installation, according to Systemair, with no external condenser or on-site refrigerant work. The company has not released capacity specifications for Geniox HP DFN. However, its Geniox HP range, incorporating an R410A heat pump, supports airflows from 720 to 30,000 cubic meters per hour, 424 to 17,660 cubic feet per minute. Performance measures. Alongside the reversible heat pump, the AHU features high-efficiency heat exchangers, EC fans, and intelligent controls to optimize performance across all seasons, according to Systemair. In heating mode, it delivers COPs of up to 16, while in cooling mode, it achieves EERs of up to 9. The design supports up to 90% heat recovery efficiency through a combination of the heat pump and a rotary heat exchanger. With the integrated R290 heat pump, Geniox HP DFN reduces operating cost by up to 40% compared to an AHU with an external condenser, Systemair said. CO2 news. The company recently launched an AHU with an integrated CO2 heat pump for dehumidification and heating in public swimming pools. The first units are scheduled for delivery in August, according to Anton Zupancic, CEO of Systemair Slovenia. The CO2 MPAS unit, developed by Minerga, a subsidiary of Systemair, has a 20 kilowatt, 5.7 tons of refrigeration, cooling capacity, and a 25 kilowatt, 7.1 tons of refrigeration, heating capacity with outlet water temperatures of up to 65 degrees Celsius, 149 degrees Fahrenheit. The next phase of development includes adapting the unit for space heating and cooling in commercial buildings using a reversible CO2 heat pump, Zupancic told naturalrefrigerants.com. Our objective is to introduce the next generation of products to market by the second quarter of next year, Zupancic said, adding that Systemair plans to test the units at its Slovenia factory over the coming months. Quotable. Pre-filled with refrigerant and factory-tested, the Geniox HP DFN is delivered as a complete comfort ventilation unit, Systemair said, adding that the integrated heat pump helps lower total project costs by reducing on-site coordination and shortening commissioning time.